Hello traders, in this video I would like to review the events in the trading room during the month of May. But first, let's look on institutional chart. This is overextended rally. This is a key institutional support. During the month of May, again and again and again, we witnessed vicious institutional buying with mild profit taking. This is your key day trading chart. So if you understand where entry points are, hours and days in advance, if you understand that profit taking extremely mild, this is a system during the month of May. Let's go back all the way to May 13th. Here is the start of the bullish rally. Price at the very bottom. You know, many days in advance where price is heading to. You know, many days in advance where key resistance will be. You know, many days in advance where to expect selling pressure from. All identified in advance. Let's go to the following week. May 18th. Apply. This is the power and precision of the system. You know many days in advance how crucial this level is. But if I take you right now to Apple, when historical event played out and Apple doubled in value despite worst earnings in 2015, it's identical price action on Apple 2019 versus S&P in the month of May. Intelligent trader knows many days in advance this is key support, lowers better. Intelligent trader understands institutions viciously buying the market. But institutional rally overextended. Trading requires your ultimate skill, and this can last for many months and years. So pay attention carefully to your day trading ranges, all identified in advance. Let's go to May 28th, shall we? Buyers skyrocketed from key support, and here comes the selling pressure from reversal zone. Key support in a play, correct? And do remember what June 1st started with? This is the power of the system, and you can do this on any instrument of your choice. This is the market this morning. We're extremely high. Trading here requires your ultimate skill. But spectacular bullish rally from 4,000 level, where institutions stepped in with vengeance and picked up this team again at key support levels 4060, 4100, and buying from key support levels here. The events of this morning require your ultimate skill. This is your trading range. We identified this well before market open. And this is how you pass your test every single day. And this is the events in the trading room during the month of May. Brett, sharing email, almost 4 points on S&P. Listen to Brett's podcasts on the website. Denzel here this morning. Another email. As traders keep sharing time and time again how they accomplish trading on any and every instrument. It never gets old, I promise. If these traders can do it, so can you. So here's what played out in the trading room. When market is moving, Theo takes advantage of that. Phenomenal effort. S&P Forex, pound yen, euro yen. As Theo shares, trading from Australia with power at European session. Jason picked up 23 ticks on silver. And this is what continued every single day. Manu, S&P and Dow. Theo, keep sharing. Trading other instruments. King is winning on Forex account 9 out of 10 wins. Up 34% since joining the course. William supporting other traders. This is our global community that you see every single day. Rajesh, early winner with aggressive short on Nasdaq. This is a power. You decide what you want to trade. Alpha Fibonacci rocks. It's a very simple statement. Choice is yours every single day. As Denzel shared, I am consistently profitable for 5 weeks. Rajesh shared 3 wins, 1 loss. Made more money in 1 hour than I make in months at part-time retail job. Eric trading oil at institutional levels. Sue sharing system is simply fabulous. All of this during the month of May. Hundreds and hundreds of other posts from traders all over the world. Every trader decides what trader wants to trade. But as Rajesh shared before Alpha Fibonacci system, I would have normally been trying to trade the garbage. Not anymore. Instead, happily watching as I am up $1,500. So when market moving, intelligent traders taking advantage of that. And that's a very different market. And that's a power of our global community during the months of May. So when students say this, it's a reason I love what I do. It never gets old, I promise. So when Jeff stopped by, our graduate, and at the age of 78 years old, he's trading the system with long-term stocks. What is stopping you? Choice is yours. What you will decide to trade. So when Richard's sending me this email, it never gets old. 37,000 on April 29th. Let me remind you where you can find Richard's podcast and what Richard started with. It never gets sold, I promise. This was Richard's email on January 22nd. Richard thinks and trades as top 1% does. First, he doubled his account on Ninja Trader Market Replay, where you can replace the markets 8 hours in half an hour, in an hour, and 2. You decide the speed. This is how you practice. This is how you double. This is how you trade on simulator before trading live. Because if Goldman traders required to do so, if JP Morgan traders must prove themselves, they're trading someone else's money. So if you're trading your own, treat your money with much more respect. Then Richard started trading live. $3,600 account on December 7th. January 22nd, 11,500. At the end of April, my account 37,000. But listen to this line. If market is stuck, I do not trade that day. This is what your success starts with. It's not about buy and sell. The most important part, when not to lose your mind, when not to lose your money, when not to trade. Market is stuck, do not trade that day. This is brilliant, intelligent, strategic trader who operating his own hedge fund. Imagine what you can do if you obey the rules and make an effort as Richard has done. And that simplicity of the system in front of you. You will never ever need anything else. This is the most important part of your trading. So when you know your trading range and you understand everything days in advance, and you trade as top 1% does, this market condition's not going anywhere. This can last months and years. And when this level will be reached, you must be very well prepared. This is what intelligent trader does. Expect historical event at 4,500 level and be very well prepared. We discussed this in the live class. So if you want to trade as Richard does, listen to Richard's podcast. Join us in the trading room. Richard very well prepared for the next crisis. So is David, so is Ken, so is Carlton, so is Emmanuel, who brought his wife and best friend to the course, so is Brad. View the videos traders have done about their lives, their journeys, which you can also see under reviews, and choose from option appropriate for you. It's a lifetime system, any platform, or lifetime software for Ninja 8. Live classes, videos, modules, all included. Private mentoring 4 months. Any questions for me? After you reviewed students' emails, students' performance, and listened to students' podcasts, please do not hesitate to call me. I love what I do. Simply pick up the phone 925-257-4298 or email me info@fibinstitute.com. Because when institutions buying this market at historical highs, market creates very challenging conditions which can last many months and years. It's a very different trading that requires your ultimate skill. And if you can trade this, the skies are the limit. Everything else will be a breeze. So if you want to become next Richard, I look forward working with you. It is pure, rule-based system. You can trade on anything you choose.